Moving on now to task 6. I know I'm being repetitive, but make sure everything is deselected. You want to deselect everything by holding Control D as in dog or Command D, because if you have something selected, some things don't work in Photoshop. And you know the drill by now, right? Turn on the eyeball for task number 6 so we can see task 6. Make sure task 6 layer is enabled. And let's read the directions. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Change the hue to -20, the saturation to -10. Okay, a lot of beginning students aren't aware that adjustment layers in Photoshop, it's very, very useful, very important thing to know about, because it means, what it means is I can adjust many qualities of the image on this layer without affecting other layers, and also not damaging this original image. So with the layer enabled, the symbol to add an adjustment layers is half black and white circle. Hit the drop down menu, you get several to choose from, and you can go through these later on your own, but let me just, the task is hue saturation, so let's choose hue saturation. And let me move things around here so we can see. Okay, so whenever I added that adjustment layer, here, this is the adjustment layer added on top of the task 6 layer. This is the settings for this adjustment layer. The directions say change the hue to -20 and the saturation to -10. So you can, the hue saturation, you can grab, they're on sliders, you can move them back and forth. And let me put it next to my image. So you can move like the hue back and forth. You can see how the image changes. It's easiest just to type in something. So the task is -20, so it's -20, hit the return key. Saturation is the intensity. You can pull the saturation all the way down to black and white or grayscale, and up all the way so it looks like radiation burn, right? So change this to -10 is what the instructions call for. And the last thing, number 4 on the instruction says, it says pin the adjustment layer to this layer so it doesn't affect other layers. Now in case you don't know, this adjustment layer that I put here, as it is now, will affect everything underneath it if it's visible. Any visible layer will be affected by this. I can make things, to get it to affect this and only this layer, the symbol to click on, let me move it out of the way here so it's easier to see. The symbol in CS5 is this black circle on top of a white circle. Your symbol is going to be different. It's like a 90-degree arrow pointing down, but it's in the same location. It's next to this eye. So just click on this, and your adjustment layer will now have this 90-degree arrow indicating that it's pinned. It's affecting only the layer underneath it. Just to wrap up this little demo on adjustment layers, what happens now is anything that's on this layer is not damaged. I did not damage or affect the original image. Like if I don't like my adjustments, if I just turn off the eyeball in this adjustment layer, it goes back to its original image. Okay, so that's very, very useful, because in general you want to preserve the editable qualities of your image in your PSD files.